Australians love property investment, but let's be real, diving in without knowing the rules, that could cost you big time. So let's unpack the essentials: tax deductions, claimable expenses, and the strategies that'll help you maximize your returns in the Aussie property market. First up, repairs versus improvements. This one trips up a lot of investors. Repairs, think fixing that leaky faucet, 100% tax deductible right now. Improvements, like a kitchen reno, you'll claim that over 40 years at just 2.5% a year. Timing is everything here, so keep track of what's a quick fix and what's a long-term upgrade, all right? Let's talk claimable expenses. You can deduct things like advertising for tenants, council and water rates, gardening, pest control, insurance, even the interest on your property loan. Repairs? Those count too, but here's the catch. Improvements like new carpets or structural renovations, those depreciate over time. And sorry, loan repayments or second-hand assets, not deductible. The golden rule, know what's a write-off and what's not. Speaking of what's not deductible, watch out for these pitfalls. Forget claiming personal trips to inspect the property, loan repayments or second-hand furniture, and heads up. Since 2017, the ATO has cracked down on second-hand assets. No deductions there. Always know what's in your corner when it comes to tax time. Now let me share my favorite end of financial year hack. Repairs done before June 30th, you can claim them this financial year. Even improvements started late can fast-track depreciation. Fixing that leaky pipe today, instant tax savings. A big ticket reno like a new bathroom. Start claiming depreciation sooner. Timing is your best friend here. Finally, don't do it all yourself. A solid property manager will handle tenants and repairs so you don't have to. And a good accountant, they'll make sure you're following the rules and maximizing your deductions. With the right team, you'll stress less and earn more. So ready to invest, plan smart, claim smarter, and enjoy the ride? Need help? Talk to a pro today and make your property investment work harder for you. Contact Mantis Partners.